Saving water means saving energy. That's why installing a low-flow shower head can help make your home more comfortable and efficient. Everybody loves a hot shower, but you don't have to waste water and energy in order to be comfortable. Installing a low-flow shower head is an easy do-it-yourself project. But how do you know if you need a new shower head? Well, there's a simple test, and you may need a friend to help with this. Mark a bucket at the 1-gallon fill level. If it takes longer than 24 seconds for your shower to fill the bucket to that level, you're in good shape. If it takes just about 24 seconds, you could replace it with a super efficient shower head for even more savings. If it takes less than 24 seconds, you should definitely replace it. By law, all new shower heads manufactured since 1992 must have flow rates less than 2.5 gallons per minute. But check available models closely. Some can save even more. Also, if you have one of the original 1990s low-flow shower heads, you may not be satisfied with the comfort level. Newer technology creates a more comfortable shower without using more water, so you might want to replace your shower head based on comfort alone. Remove the old shower head by unscrewing it from the supply pipe. Be careful not to bend or twist the supply. Before installing the new shower head, wrap 2 to 3 layers of Teflon plumber's tape in a clockwise direction around the supply threads. Screw the new shower head onto the supply. It should be snug, but not so tight that the threads are damaged. We've chosen a handheld shower with a hose, so we've got one extra step. Turn on the water and check for leaks. New low-flow shower heads deliver a satisfying hot shower without the waste, helping to make your home more comfortable and efficient.